Okay, I started to make a video yesterday on the relationship between folk physics and folk psychology, but was interrupted by a swarm of flies. So I want to just see if I can finish that off really quickly. Folk physics, the basic model of physics that you come into the world with or you develop very early on prior to testing, has something in common with Newtonian physics, something in common with Aristotelian understandings of physics. It doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't have to be subject to testing, it just has to get you through the day within the limited domain of human functioning. And the way it works, broadly speaking, is that it configures the world as lumps of stuff existing within empty space, propelled through that space by some kind of a force. That's broadly speaking how folk physics envisages the world. Folk psychology, which is what comes about when we try to think about how a mind works, whether that be somebody else's or our own, uses exactly the same template: lumps of stuff propelled through or interconnected through empty space, moving or connecting through some force. In the case of folk psychology, the lumps of stuff are things like, or machines or modules or entities, are things like memory and personality and those kind of bits and pieces, belief. And the force that moves those things around is something like willpower, or just will. That's the connection I'm suggesting. Yeah. So when we talk about will, we're drawing on crude physical models, metaphors of crude physical models, and investing those with an existence I don't think they really have. It doesn't hurt, of course, as long as it does its job. No flies. There's no flies on me today. Down here by the Trent and Mersey Canal.